Did you build this?
Oh, my vice president did.
Okay.
They're just different. They're different years. Like the ones in the back are really old.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Sorry about all this stuff down there, man.
It's all right. What's your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Robby Parrish. I've got 6 DC level 315s on a Salt 8K.
Nice. Did you build this?
Oh, my vice president did.
Okay.
He designed the box.
What are the subs rated at? The magnet's a little different.
They're just different. They're different years. Like the ones in the back are really old, and the two up
Okay,
front
that's
are
why.
newer.
Okay, got it.
They're all level 3s.
And it's a 6th order.
Mm-hmm.
Are you tuned low, or what is your? You know your tunings on it?
It peaks at like 38.
38. Okay. Very nice. And your electrical, your alternator, and battery power.
Autotech 320 up front, and then I've got JY 80 amp hour in the back, and then 2 Cyber 12Ks in the back.
Nice. All right. I'm gonna go check out the alternator and the amp. Is it all open? I can go look?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Go ahead,
Robby. All right, man. Jacob. Nice. Wow. I got a question. Did you build this box into it, or did this cabin come off when you built it in?
No, this will never come off again.
No?
Yeah,
Okay.
we built it inside the truck.
You utilize your space then, okay. And you got a panel removal for your subs here?
Yeah, it's behind the amp.
Okay. Nice.
Square will
Yeah,
come
Cyber 12K is awesome. You're on Team Megahertz?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. You do better windows down, or?
That window up, this one down.
Okay, I'll keep this one up.
What's going on, everyone? This is JACOBVILE. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Robby's system, his impressive 615-inch subwoofer 6th order blow-through. This was at the Jacksonville, Florida show, summer showcase in 2021. Finally getting to upload it. Definitely a pretty good demo. He gave me a pretty good amount of flex on the inside and outside you'll get to see. So go ahead and comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say some positive things. He definitely has a really nice look to it. He tried to make it look as clean as possible. The LEDs helped us see inside the box really well. The back of the box, you could see that rear port. Some people viewing don't know what that is. So this is considered a 6th order enclosure. That rear port makes it the 6th order. The subwoofers are inverted upright, but underneath of the subs is actually another enclosure. So there's probably around a 1:1 or a 1.5:1 ratio 6th order enclosure. So a bottom chamber and a top chamber, and that rear port is tuned from the bottom chamber cubic space. And on the back, he's running 6 subs to this single amplifier. I didn't get the impedance of it. I'm going to guess it's around a 0.8 to 1.2 ohm. Not 100% sure, but he definitely has a lot of lithium to support the amplifier. So, of course, he does have 2 different type of batteries, the Cyber 12Ks and the JY 80 amp hour. Altogether, that's probably around 140 to 150 amp hours of lithium for this. So, definitely enough battery bank for it. And him building this box in the vehicle, it is permanent, but that got the most space utilized for his system. So, we're going to go ahead and get to the base demo now. Stay tuned for more daily cardio videos coming your day every day by subscribing. I appreciate y'all subscribing and liking my videos, and enjoy the bass demo.
frequency. What is it like? High 20, low 30s?
That was 25 to 36.
36.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo, man.
Oh yeah, no problem, man.
I'm gonna go check out the alternator and the amp. Is it all open? I can go look?
Yeah,
Awesome.
go ahead.
I appreciate the demo, man. What was your name?
Robby.
Robby. All right, man. Jacob. Nice. Wow. Awesome. Nice to meet you, Robby. You have a good day, man.
Nice to meet you too.
Very nice.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.